Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisa Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Ushinga bafethu, inkinga of the problem ukuthi umdlalo we-Kaizer Chiefs akakadlali negame eyodwa. Badlala amagame awu-16 already, but Ushinga akakadlali not even a single minute laphana ku-Betway Premiership or ku-Continental level or ku-Carling Knockout la bathesta khona no-Morris, but Ushinga azange ayithole i-opportunity yokudlala. Isikhathi sakhe salaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu kuthiwa kunama-injuries, but ama-injuries wakhona bafethu ayasolisa. Angazi ukuthi they are trying to shield him away from the fact ukuthi akadlali, cause I remember i-conference ye-coach ye-Kaizer Chiefs yathi uShingo une-flu before igame yeMamelodi Sundowns. Angazi ukuthi ngiyayikhumbula la ba-draw khona Mamelodi Sundowns ne-Kaizer Chiefs i-draw, kwathiwa uShinga no-Sheslett bane-flu. Hawu, manje kuthiwa kunama-injuries back and forth. But ejimini njalo kuma-open media, open day bafethu, uShinga akaze angabi khona ejimini laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Angikaze mina ngahlala ngingamboni makuwama-media opening day. So and even no-Cheslett mababuza ngaye into u-coach we-Kaizer Chiefs akaze atshele lawa ama-journalist lawa anokuza ku-open day ukuthi uney'nkinga whatever, because bayambona laphana ejimini. I remember this journalist imbuza u-Cedric Keza athi uCheslett akadlali ngani ngoba siyambona ejimini. Azange akwazi ukuba direct ukuthi ulimele, because why ama-journalist ayambona makuyi-media open day, just that ukuthi obvious akadlali. Akukaze, I think there was a time la off khona kubonakala ngathi vele ngathi uthintekile umfana, but-ke nje isikhathi esiningi bona banoShinga bayajima futhi badlala nama-friendly games every week. I-Kaizer Chiefs idlala ama-friendly games during the week ukuthi bakwazi ukuba strong, and njengoba siya ku-FIFA break bazodlala ama-friendlies amaningi, but isithemba ukuthi bafethu uShinga sokwazi ukumbona umfowethu ahlulekele. Phela uShinga ku-Kaizer Chiefs akakadlali i-official game, but-ke khona igame ayidlala ne-team eGhana i-Asante, waphefoma kahle kakhulu uShinga. I thought they're gonna try and play him, but-ke o-coach vele abe-Kaizer Chiefs abaziyo bafethu ukuthi bazodlalisa obani kanjani. Indaba kaShinga-ke iripotwa nayi-kick off. Ngibona isitori eside sakhe laphana kukhulunywa ngayo, because uShinga udlale ePortugal for 7 years bafethu, ubuye eSouth Africa bekafuna ukuzi-establisha laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, and then kabhekwe laphana kuBafana Bafana, but-ke akana-chance ukuthi aye ku-AFCON because of asikakamboni nokumbona. Khona abantu abangalilandeleli ibhola njengathi abangamazi nokumazi uShinga, bafuna the time bazombona angene the only time bazombona mengena egrawundini edlala for i-Kaizer Chiefs, njengoba engakadlali, so abantu abaningi abangamazi noShinga. I wanna talk about something interesting eyenzekile laphana bafethu izolo eNaturena. I-icon bafethu, i-legend lebhola lasemhlabeni uSolomon Kalou belaphana eNaturena. Imagine bafethu, umuntu bekadlalela i-Chelsea, udlalele for 8 years i-Chelsea laphana. Uwine izinto, even ne-Champions League uyiwinile belaphana eNaturena. U-appreciate-ile nje izinto laphana the way abamphathe ngakhona eNaturena. Akakholwanga ukuthi eSouth Africa khona ilo ama-facilities anje, uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs iyam-inspire njengoba abonile ama-facilities, but ukhuluma indaba e-interesting kakhulu. Uthi i-idol lakhe yena nobhuti wakhe boku-Dr Khumalo. Okushoyo bafethu noma okusibonisayo ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs i-brand enkulu kakhulu, if nase-Cordova bebayibukela bayilandelela, Dr Khumalo bambukela. Nawa amagama akhe. Uthi-ke is truly impressed by ama-facilities walaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs and the way abam-welcome ngakhona. Because of uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs uyithanda ngoba inama-same colours as i-Mimosa team bekayidlalela laphana eCordova noma wakhula ayidlalela. Uthi yena nobhuti wakhe bobawu-2 bake badlala obvious laphana kwi-international yaseCordova no-D-Day Dropper, bekudala bazithandela vele uDr Khumalo. So uyajabula vele nakuhlangana noDr Khumalo laphana e-village noma ngithi Naturena. Ukhulumile-ke ngoDr Khumalo waqhubeka wathi ubhuti wakhe-ke laphana eCordova babembiza ulokhunjani uDr Khumalo memncane laphana esadeveloper. Uyachaza laphana uthi njalo wayegqoka u-number 15 kuma-youth level ku-club, even naku-Paris Saint-Germain, even naku-Paris Saint-Germain naku-Feyenoord naku-Cordova. Uyasho ukuthi uDr Khumalo bekuyi-idol labo, bakhule nje babukela kuye, and then bake bayibukela i-Kaizer Chiefs, bebayibukela i-Kaizer Chiefs i-era yabo lena-ke bebabheka, and then bafunde kuye i-style of play nezinye izinto. uDr Khumalo-ke naye-ke beka-impressed nanokuthi uhambule ukuthi ama-world class players angakwazi ukumrecognize kangaka, nawa amagama akhe. Uthi-ke it's humbling and an honour ukuzwa lezi zinto lezi or ley'ndaba lezi ukuthi abantu aba-achieve izinto ey'nkulu kangaka ebholeni emhlabeni but bebabukela kuye nama-teammates walaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi ngeke ucabange ukuthi ama-players a-achieve izinto ey'nkulu kangaka maybe angabazi izinto ezinjalo but ya naku kuyenzeka. UKhalu-ke uphinde wahlangana bafethu ne-chairman, i-founder u-Dr. Kaizer Motaung, okhulumile vele futhi uKhalu uwine no-2015 AFCON laphana ne-Cote d'Ivoire. Uthe that time adlala laphana u-Dr. Motaung lo okhulumayo bafethu, uthe that time adlala laphana e-United States ngo-1969 azange a-extend i-contract yakhe and bebam-offer i-contract but wachuza ukubuya la e-South Africa and then ukubuya ukuthi ezozama uku-inspire i-next generation of footballer. Uthi ukuzwa ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs i-inspire yena uKhalu nobhuti wakhe, i-great motivation for yena. It's also i-desire yakhe ukuthi a-uplift. Uthe uKhalu mani uKhalu uyaqhubeka it's also i-desire yakhe umphathi laphana we-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi a-uplift and give hope to ama-African footballers. I-chairman-ke ye-Kaizer Chiefs laphana extend ama-invitation or ne-invitation kuKhalu ukuthi njalo mekhona laphana eJohannesburg a-reach out to uDoctor, akhumbule ukuthi ikhaya lakhe laphana eNaturena. Uthi you are always welcome la ku-Chiefs Village, so yi-part of ifamily manje. Yeah man, this is huge. This is huge bafethu. Imagine uKhalu umuntu odlalela iChelsea belaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. This is just incredible. Ithi seku-career kaKhalu abantu bayi-understand ukuthi lo muntu ube ne-career enkulu kangakanani bafethu. Okay, this year uneminyaka ewu-40 vele seka-retire-rile but-ke ibhola waqala ukudlala professional ku-Feyenoord, le team le is it Netherlands, yes. But i-big move yakhe yeza laphana ngo-2006 mayisayinwa i-Chelsea. I-Chelsea ngo-2006 yamsayina ngey'mali bafethu ey'nkulu eyi-serious cabanga. It was a big move, cabanga 2006 bamsayina nge-9 million pounds. Imalini leyo? Yoh, uhlale from 2006 to 2012 elaphana ku-Chelsea. Ziningi kakhulu futhi izinto azi-achievile yena bedlala nabo-D-Day Dropper namanye ama-iconic players. Khona kwenye iklipu, kwenye interview ekhuluma ukuthi wayengakholwa naye ukuthi ulaphana ku-Chelsea. Uthi first time aye ejimini wahamba necamera ukuthi ashuthe nama-stars lawa belaphana ku-Chelsea. What a player libe ne-career. Udlale eNetherlands, udlale e-England, udlale eFrance, adlalele Lille la beka-important kakhulu. Ushaya amagoli awu-30 in 67 games and then ku-Chelsea ushaya amagoli over 36. Waphinde wadlala-ke nase-Germany, waya nase-Brazil and then uretayele. What is this country konje le yase yeah, whatever the country, leya country leya bafowethu, but udlalela iSolar 7 khona. I-team beyiletha nabanye abadlali, I think beba-investor heavy but yeah, umdlalo one-history enkulu ebholeni lona obaluleke kakhulu lo belaphana eNaturena u-Kaizer Chiefs. Asiqhubekeni bafowethu neze-Kaizer Chiefs, siyazi ukuthi eze-Kaizer Chiefs azipheli. Well, onokuba yi-captain ye-Kaizer Chiefs laphana noma oqala isizini kuyi-captain u-Inacio Miguel, upostile laphana online halalisela ama-young stars laphana e-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi ujabule kakhulu for uMfundo Vilakazi ujabule kakhulu for uMfundo Vilakazi noShabalala ukuthi baletha injabulo kwi-country yonke, so uvale ngokuthi well done kids. Well, to be fair, siyazi ukuthi ukuwina kwe-Kaizer Chiefs kujabulise millions and millions of South Africans, so I think they understand i-responsibility ye-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bayakwazi ukujabulisa abantu nokushintsha imodi yabantu ngokuwina. Futhi-ke bawine nge-style esikhulu bafethu, big margin, big score, 4 goals, dominance of uShabalala. He was unstoppable kuleya match leya. Uya-creator, in fact wonke amagoli ushaya amagoli awu-2 but amanye futhi lawa amanye awu-2 aze ngayo because of ibhola beliqale kuye. So yeah man, masibheka yeah into e-right, well iqiniso ukuthi ujabulisa abantu, letha i-happiness e-country. Kaizer Chiefs mayiwina abantu abaningi bayajabula, so they have to try and continue winning and impressing ukuthi bajabulisa abantu abaningi because of abanye abantu Kaizer Chiefs yiyo i-only hope yabo, like i-source of happiness. That is why uma ngikhuluma nabanye abantu thola ukuthi ngikhuluma nabo base-stadium basho ukuthi bona ebajabulisayo kuphela ukuthi baye e-stadium, okunye nokunye hhayi bayakubona, so bayakhohlwa iy'nkinga zabo uma bese-stadium abantu. Asingeneni kulokho bafowethu. Mamelodi Sundowns iwinile izolo, ina-25 points. Orlando Pirates isuse i-Kaizer Chiefs laphana ku-number 2 because of ibashaya nge-goal difference. Orlando Pirates ihleli ku-number 2 nga-22 points, but i-Kaizer Chiefs ihleli ku-number 3 nayo nga-22 points. Kusho ukuthi bayalingana nje nama-points ne-Orlando Pirates, but Orlando Pirates over i-Kaizer Chiefs ina-1 game in hand, and then over mayicompare ne-Mamelodi Sundowns ina 2 games in hand, because Orlando Pirates isadlale only 10 games kuphela. I mean we're going to FIFA, is it FIFA break or lento le ama-international we're going to yona, but i-Kaizer Chiefs ikwazile ukuziredeema. Uma ubheka laphana ku-score ebhodini, i-Kaizer Chiefs iwina amagame awu-6, yadraw awu-4, yaluza eyodwa igame. Into nje ebastopile ukuthi bangabi nama-points amaningi ukuthi babe nama-unnecessary draws la bebadominate khona, but ama-draw yiwo abastopile bafowethu ukuthi bangakwazi ukuhlala le phezulu. UDotley-ke bafowethu, congratulations to uDotley, player le-Kaizer Chiefs. Umfazi wakhe noma intombi yakhe angazi ukuthi ukhulelwe. UDotley u-injured for isikhathi eside, for almost unyaka wenzana ney'ngane. Ngibona i-comment omunye online uthe hey ubuya ndoda ungaze wenza iy'ngane ey'ningi lapho abantwana abaningi, but yeah, congratulations to him uDotley ukuthi uzoba ne-first born yakhe umfana. Yeah, congratulations man, it's a beautiful thing to see. Lona-ke bafowethu uHlongwane, naleli Hlongwane naye umfana is ready to be given ne-opportunity laphana ku-first team, ukuthi bamnike i-opportunity ukuthi aqale adlale umfana. Siyamazi ukuthi is comfortable on the ball. I remember this one time uPeterson kwi-interview, let me say ku-conference, ethi u-impressed ngama-players abuya ku-DDC team, wabala nawo uHlongwane ukuthi a-comfortable awasabi lutho laphana ku-senior team. So I mean uPeterson i-captain yabo, une-eye for talent, so if usho something positive ngoHlongwane kusho ukuthi khona into ayibonayo especially ngoHlongwane. And then same thing ku-same bracket wamenshina no-Eden McCarthy. Isizini isaqeda ukuqala nje wabamenshina. McCarthy siyambona wenze iy'bukwa, but-ke uHlongwane akakayitholi i-opportunity. By the time ayithola sithemba ukuthi umfana uzokwazi ukuyisebenzisa leyo opportunity. Yeah, akusiwuye kuphela obvious, no-Ethan Cheslet, no-Shinga sibabalile nabo abangakabatholi ama-opportunity, no-Batman. Sithemba ukuthi abadlali in no time bazokwazi ukuthola ama-opportunity ukuthi bakwazi ukuperforma for i-team, baziprove ukuthi bayadeserve ngempela ukuba ku-Kaizer Chiefs nokunikwa ama-opportunities ku-team enkulu kangaka, cause inkulu i-team bafethu akudlalwa. Khona omunye umdlali engifuna ukukhuluma ngaye bedlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, uCastillo ne-Kaizer Chiefs wakhansela i-contract yakhe, azange ku-announce-iwa nix kwathula. I-Kaizer Chiefs ayikaze ikhiphe i-official statement about uCastillo. Sazi ukuthi kwenzakalani, mhlawumpe i-relationship yabo azange iphele kahle because uCastillo wasayina i-renewal, I remember, but only for them bamtshela ukuthi hayi mfana ngathi awukho needed, awusekho needed. Then they reach i-settlement noma ngithi mutual agreement, and then they parted ways. But umdlali usastruggle ukuthola i-team, ukuthi usabheka i-team. Inkinga-ke uCastillo angayitholi i-team ukuthi ufuna imali eningi. Ngiyakhumbula ngilalela i-agent lakhe noma ngifunda i-story se-agent lakhe lithi abamind bona ukuhlala e-Africa, but financially kumele kwenze i-sense. Uyasizwa leso statement, financially kumele kwenze i-sense ukuthi uCastillo ahlale, but uzithola manje akana-team, but-ke ama-option benawo, but ufune imali eningi kakhulu yena. I mean if i-Kaizer Chiefs beyimnika i-salary e-serious, amanye ama-team ngeke a-afford bafowethu ukumnika lo salary leyo. And sikhumbule ukuthi ku-Kaizer Chiefs he didn't play 16 straight games because of beka-injured, and then-ke bese simbona lapho nalapho-ke se-regainer ilokhunjana confidence yakhe after injury, but he was never the same. But bawakhona ama-few contributions wakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Simfisela inhlanhla umdlali ukuthi izinto zakhe zimhambele kahle zimkhanyele. Yeah man, we will see. We will see ngempela ukuthi uzoyithola nayo i-contract. Ezinye bafethu iy'ndaba ey'phumayo ukuthi uSilva uyakhula ngempela i-interest laphana kwelakubo eGuinea-Bissau since akwazi ukushaya amagoli for i-Kaizer Chiefs, and then seshaya 4 goals in 5 league games cabanga for i-Kaizer Chiefs, okumbeka ku-one of the top goal scorers laphana ku-Betway Premiership. So obviously ama-performances wakhe laphana abhekiwe, and the coolest thing ukuthi nela kubo le Guinea-Bissau yakhona sebayaqala ukumnothisa. I remember this one time he scored and then bam-selecta ku-squad se-prelim squad only for him to be dropped maba-announce i-full squad. Akukho lula because maningi ama-teams ase-Guinea-Bissau adlala laphana e-Europe acompete nawo. So but yeah man, I think nakudlale e-Europe isikhathi eside, udlale even nama-good players laphana e-Europe, unayo leyo nto leyo ukuthi ukusiza i-team. But-ke sikhumbule ukuthi umsebenzi wakhe ukushaya amagoli kuphela, hayi lento lokusiza i-team in terms of ukumaka, kumele bamthole laphana eboxini. But yeah, umdlali o-highly rated in a sense that akusiwo umdlali ongamnaka kakhulu, but-ke umdlali obalulekile ozithola kuma-positions a-right. Yeah man, what a start for yena laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Aqhubeke njalo, give everything anayo, akwazi ngempela ukudeliver for i-Kaizer Chiefs, akwazi ukuthola amalokhunjana ama-results. Cela ningakhohlwa bafethu uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page liyakhula. Danko.